Hello there and welcome to the show. Today we're going to be unboxing the all new Oris Aquis Great Barrier Reef 3. This watch was announced earlier this year at Baselworld 2019, and from the second I saw it I needed this piece of my collection. I've been in contact with my AD for the past couple of months, waiting, and eventually last week it came in. So today we're going to unbox this piece together. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. So then let's crack open this box and let's see what all the fuss is about. So firstly we have just an outer sleeve before being presented with this beautiful looking cream case. Just pop the lid off. Inside, the first thing we're presented with is our official certificate for the watch. Now on the back page, there's the certificate. As you can see, piece 917 of 2000. But inside the booklet it also explains a bit about Oris, their foundings, and then goes on to include information around what they're doing to help restore the reefs as well as support the oceans. Below we have the warranty card for the watch, as well as the product manual, and then a list of service centres should the watch ever need servicing. And lastly, we have the case. It looks pretty standard, but in fact this is made from regenerative algae. And as you can see, just on the front there, embossed is the brand name, as well as Holstein 1904, the location and the year that the company was founded. And finally, the bit that we've all been waiting for. Let's crack open this box and finally get a look at the watch. And there she is. So it features a beautiful gradient blue dial, and the colours just shift so well in the light. Got some real light hues in there that fade to this beautiful dark hue. Being a dive watch, this has small seconds to conform to dive standards. This watch itself can go up to 300 meters. Has a beautiful dark hue blue ceramic bezel. Not a lot of watches in this price range have it, but Oris do. There's beautiful sounding action to it. Also features an Oris screw down crown with crown guards on there. Quite angular lugs, but then the bracelet has this beautiful pivot to it. So even though this is a 43.5mm piece, it wears considerably smaller. Beautiful satin centre links, flanked by these beautiful polished links. The links that can be removed are screwed in. Also features half link on both sides. Lugs are screwed in. No spring bars here. The buckle is twin trigger and also features a dive extension should it ever be needed. And then finally, on the case back, it has this coral engraved into the case back. And as can be seen, this is, as seen before, piece 917 of 2000. So there we have it. Let's end with a wristwatch shot. Now tell me down below in the comments what you think of this piece and would you have it in your collection. Remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, peace out.